Hi, just thought I'd do a quick follow-up to my previous video as we forgot the money shot. So I made a zoom on the pin and I have aligned the pins from the old lock, and next to them I have put the equivalent modern pins because we can see the container lock was actually so old that it was using the brass key pins instead of these new all steel anti-drill key pins. And for the driver pins, it was the second newest generation, the little weights as we would call them, compared to the new standard Rukos. So, and as we can see again, we have the long key pins and the short driver pins, and here we have the short key pins and the long driver pins. So there'll be more details about that when we go deeper into the Roku 600 and the 1200 and the Combi. So that was all. Have a nice evening. Bye.